Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2026, and I'm here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin with Dennis from CONDENZERO, a company that's selling some really cool TEM holders. Can you please tell us about them, why they're cool, why someone would be interested in them?
So our customers are in quantum material science. They need extremely low temperatures for their research, and what we are doing is we have liquid helium cooled sample holders that provide sample temperatures below 6 Kelvin, and we can stabilize these temperatures for over 24 hours.
So liquid helium TEM holders, so very stable for a very long period of time. Are they just simple holders, or do you have any holders that do anything special other than just cooling?
Yeah, additionally to cooling, we also have biasing capabilities. So we provide up to 8 electrical contacts for applying electric fields. This can also be used for heating. We are providing heating chips also later on this year, so we can move temperatures from base temperature to above room temperature. We're also working on sample holders that are compatible with cathodoluminescence, so our customers can do CL measurements at low temperatures. And also we're working on radio frequency feed-throughs for other types of experiments. So we try to combine low temperatures with new functionalities.
Wow. So where is CONDENZERO located, your company?
We are a Swiss company. We're based in Zurich. Actually very close to the airport. There's the main quarter. We're also opening a Beijing office by end of the year.
So are you guys selling directly here in North America, or do you have work through distributors?
So we have been selling directly so far, but this will change very soon.
Okay. So if people want to find out more about your cool holders, where would they find you online?
Go to our homepage, CONDENZERO.com. There you find more information. There we also have some links to the first couple of publications from our early stage customers, and you can also reach out to me at dsutter, DSUTTER, at CONDENZERO.com.
Okay, well, thanks a lot, Dennis. And make sure to check out Instructinate.com to get all the coolest, latest hot electron microscope related merch, like this shirt. You can chill in the fib crib while all the other people in your lab look at you enviously. So we got more from M&M 2026 coming up. We'll see you then. Thanks.